Hello. Today we will explore whether the Discover credit card is a good option. Discover is a credit card provider that stands out with its user-friendly benefits and wide acceptance network. So, is this card really right for you? One of the most obvious advantages of Discover cards is the cashback rewards program it offers. Most Discover cards offer high cashback rates in certain shopping categories. For example, you can earn extra rewards on the amount you spend in categories such as groceries, restaurant, or gas. In addition, cashback is quite flexible. You can apply these rewards to your bill, convert them into gift cards, or withdraw them with directly as cash. Another important feature that Discover cards do not charge an annual fee. This is a great advantage, especially for users who want to keep their budget under control. In addition, Discovery's customer service offers 24/7 support. The card also stands out with its additional security features such as strong fraud protection and free credit score monitoring. Overall, the Discover credit card is a great option for users who love earning rewards, are looking for a low-cost card, and care about customer service. If you are looking for a card that fits your needs, it might be a good idea to consider Discover.